Let's go ahead and get into some of the constructs when we're doing shell script statements. Okay. So the first one is conditional constructs. So we're gonna be there are total of 5 conditional statements which can be used in Bash programming. So the first one is gonna be an if statement. The second will be an if-else statement. The third will be an if-else. Okay. So we kind of just keep going back and forth between the else and else if. The fourth is if, then, else, if, then, end. So nested ifs. Okay. So we could have like a if, then, else, and then underneath that, within that if statement, then we have a whole nother if then statement. Okay. And then we have switch statements. So we're going to look at an if then one here. So this block will be processed if specified condition is true. So if this expression, this block of code is true, then do this. And then end it, phi. Okay? So that's our first one here. Okay. Oops. Sorry guys, one second. There we go. Okay. So if this is true, then do this, and with phi. So an example of this would be echo hello. And we'd say if variable 1 is equal to awesome, then echo you are awesome. And then end it, and then we would echo bye. Okay. So if variable 1 is equal to awesome, then echo you are awesome. Next one we're going to look at is else and elif or else if. So to use multiple conditions in one if else block, then elif keyword is used in the shell. If expression 1 is true, then it executes statement 1 and 2, and this process continues. If none of the conditions are true, then it processes the else part. Okay. So if expression 1 is true, then do statement 1 and statement 2. Okay. Else if expression 2 is true, then statement 2 and 3. If neither of these are true, else do statement 5. So, okay. So if this is true, then do these. Else if this is true, then do these two. If neither of these are true, else do this. End, phi. So remember, if statements are ended with fi, it's just if in reverse, phi. Easy way to remember that is finish. Okay. And next we're going to be looking at looping constructs.